all is well. Hope all is well with you guys. You already know me. This is Chris Myers, Positive Energy, Real Talk for you YouTubers. And for you guys who are looking at this on Facebook, you already know I'm in the upliftment group. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm not going to take long. I want to jump right into this because I don't want to take too much of your time, but I definitely got some information I think that is very powerful. And what I want to talk about right now is the coronavirus and the stock market right now. The coronavirus and the stock market right now. Right now, at this time, this is March the 2nd, 2020. There's a lot of media. Well, coronavirus is in the media all over. I mean, people are really talking about the coronavirus, protecting yourself from the coronavirus, doing everything you can not to be affected by this virus. And not only that, it has affected the stock market. There has been tremendous losses in the stock market since this coronavirus has been pushed hard in the media. To let you know how hard it's been, you got some of the big dogs on the block. Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Mark Zuckerberg, all these guys, they've lost billions, $8, $9, $10 billion in this coronavirus media attack. I call it an attack because it's all they're talking about right now, because it really affects the minds of the people. And me personally, I think it's a little bit. Over pushed in the media. Not saying it's not serious and not saying we need to pay attention to it, but I think the media has really blown it out of proportion for different reasons, but that's a whole nother video. But again, I want to get back talking about how the market how it's been affected by the market and how these big dogs has lost money, and what we need to do as consumers and as people trying to make investments. And those are people, some of you people who want to start making investments, I just want to give you some things that you need to pay attention to. Of course, when the market goes down, people panic. People, they don't buy stocks. They kind of panic. They go into this, man, I'm holding my money. I should have never got into the stock market. And they stop buying stocks and they freeze. Well, the people who understand the market and the people who make a lot of money off the market, when the market goes down, they don't stand still. They don't hold their money. What they start doing is buying stocks. When the price goes down on the stocks, they start getting as much of the stocks as possible. Extra 200, 300, 500 shares of a company, where a person who's living in fear or get caught up in the fear of the stock market, they get at a standstill. They don't buy stock. Even though the price is dropping, they go to a standstill because they think they're going to lose everything. Now, trust me, all those big billionaires who lost their money, what do you think they're doing? They're not just sitting back. They're buying as the price goes down. Now, eventually, and this is according to history, it goes down, but it comes up. Now, let me ask you this question. When that price starts coming up, all the people who bought those stocks when the price was going down, what's going to happen? They're going to make money. Smart investors, when the market goes down, they start buying stock. When the market goes up, they still buy stock. So when you're playing the long range game, you consistently invest. It's not like day trading. When you're investing for the long term, you keep buying, but you only spend what you can afford to lose. That's the key. You don't put everything, your whole bank account, into it. What you do is you spend what you can afford to lose. You got some money. You got some money that you can put into the market. And right now, the way it is right now, you can invest $10, $20. You know, there's so many different avenues you can take to start investing. It's crazy. But smart investors right now, at this time, the prices are going down on these stocks. They're buying shares right now. They're buying shares because it's going to be an upswing. And when the upswing comes, That's when they're going to see a payday. That's the smart move. Now, for you guys who've been thinking about investing, look, I suggest what one of the things I did was I took Dr. Boyce Watkins' stock market class. Very affordable, very easy to understand. Give you the basic understandings of investing. It'll set you off on the right track, so you'll know how to evaluate stock, get information on stock and those things, and it'll have you going in the right direction. You'll be able to start investing. That's one of the steps I took, and it was a wealth of information. I'm so glad I did. So for you guys who want to start investing, I should make a suggestion of taking a course, any course you want to take, but I took that course and I've got some great information. Now, let's be realistic, that's why my YouTube channel is called Positive Energy Real Talk. The average American who works a job, you will never be able to save $20, $30, $40, $50,000 and put it in the bank, because the cost of living constantly going up. Everything, prices of everything is going up. Rent's going up. Not mortgage is staying the same, but rent's going up. Food's going up. But your pay is not going up. The interest rate in your bank account, 0.1 or something like that in the savings account, you're not making any money there. So it's going to be very hard to save that kind of money. So you need multiple streams of income to be able to build funds up of $40,000, $50,000, $60,000. Now, I'm not saying it can't be done, because it can be done, but the average American will not be able to save that kind of money. Why not use the stock market? The wealthy use the stock market. People who've built any kind of wealth or built riches, they invest into the stock market. It's just what it is. I suggest that you start looking into it. If you haven't started investing in the stock market, start looking into it. Trust me, in the long run, you will be thanking yourself that you did. Short video. This is Chris Myers, Positive Energy Real Talk. Just want to give you guys some information. I'm not giving you any kind of stock information or telling you what you need to do. I'm just telling you some things that I'm doing, some things that I've noticed, and people. And I know the road that I'm taking, people have made huge success. There are some people who made mistakes, but looking at this thing realistically, how are you going to build wealth for the future, for your family in the future, if you don't make other moves besides working a 9 to 5? Again, you guys have a blessed day. Any comments, please leave them. I'll definitely respond to any comments. And please share this information with other people. Everybody needs to know this. So you guys have a blessed one. Chris Myers. Peace.